Okay, this is problem 18 from chapter 6 of CFIN7. It's another yield to maturity and yield to call calculation. So 3 years ago, Jack's Automotive, Jack's issued a 20-year callable bond with a $1,000 maturity value and 8.5% coupon rate of interest. Interest is paid semi-annually. The bond is currently selling for $1,046. So, since it's a premium bond, which means that the yield on that bond is going to be less than the coupon rate. So, what is the bond's yield to maturity? So, all right, so we've got 20 minus 3 is 17. So 17 times 2, because it's semi-annual, that's 34 payments. We're calculating IY. So our PV is 1,046 entered as a negative. So our coupon payment is 1,000 times 0.085 divided by 2. So 40. One zero short, $42.50 every 6 months, and $1,000 future value. So equals rate. So number of period, comma, payment, comma, present value, comma, and then future value, and then parentheses. So 4% is the yield to maturity. So it's semi-annual rate times 2. So the 8% yield to maturity. So the bond can be called in 4 years for a redemption price of $1,089. What's the bond's yield to call? So 4 times 2. The 1,046 and is still good. And the coupon payment, none of that changes. The redemption price is $1,089. And just to show you, so if I hit Control C, highlight in the original calculation, hit Control V, hit 4.5%. So then I take that and I multiply by 2, and I get the yield to call of 9%. So this bond could be called because interest rates are lower than when the bond was issued. They would probably need to be lower than 0.5%. So 1 to 2% for the bond to be called and to benefit the issuer, but it's possible that they could be called.